Hi, are you ready for another lesson in Jamaican Patwah? Well, join me now. And remember, after I finish my commentary in Patwah, I'll give you an overview in English. So let's go. You afraid of duppy? I'm not afraid of duppy, because I never seen on yet. But Lord Master, they used to kill me with duppy, store me afraid of the dark, you see. But I'll know me big. Me don't know if me would sleep in a haunted house or me in a graveyard by myself. Even if me there with people, me not sleep in a haunted house. But me never really see a duppy yet. But almost every Jamaican swear say they see duppy. Massa, some of the story them really make your heart leap. But some of them are joke. You know, say one time we did have one big train crash at one place named Kendall in Manchester. About 200 people did that, you know, I was serious thing. But lad, after that, everybody have more dopey story. And from then hear somebody tell you one, they make you up and say, them it happen to. You know, the amount of people who tell me, say them a drive, and they see one pretty girl. I usually man I tell you them thing, you know. And how them pick up the girl and I carry her to her yard. And when they reach the yard, I look beside them for her, she disappear. About 10 man tell me that and then claim say, them it happen to. They lie, you see, man. Then me did read one book one time by a woman named Bevis about some Jamaican dopey story. And master, for about 2 weeks, me no sleep. Me no know why I'm afraid of dopey and me never see none yet. It's like me can't see them. But me did have one good friend, you know, him did have one hotel down at Negril. Nice white sand beach, the hotel depart. But he tell me say one of him room did haunted. And him did have to lucky off because every guest him put in there something happened to them. So him have to hurry up and lock you off because next thing you know they want to sue him. You know them people that stay they love sue already. And he said a couple years later when him check you out he find out say our graveyard in hotel did build pan, you know. Master, me believe him, you know, because he was a nice man and him wouldn't want to tell no lie the way there. But him say him never see nothing anything. But when he go in the room, him say all sort of strange things. The plumbing stop work and picture all over the place. You don't know, master. You know something? But them have some dopey story that really funny though. The funniest one me ever hear was the one with about two jankra fly around all over the place. This jankra, them jankra fly around and carry a coffin. And I asked Mr. Brown. Now, me never live in Jamaica during a them time there. But everybody who write me tell me them see this, them two jankra fly around with coffin. And all the newspaper character, you know. All Bob Marley did write one song say, "Where is Mr. Brown? He's nowhere to be found." But that was a funny dopey story. But me I tell you, plenty of them really scary and make me start believe back. Although when me try say me not believe in a dopey. Me no know. When me hear some story, it kinda make me feel away. And you know, them say if dopey follow you home, you must walk back way through the door and the dopey won't follow you inside the house. But since me not sit down, me not get to try out all them things that you see if are true. You know, Miss Louise Bennett, a full teacher, Miss Lou say, if you walk good dopey will follow you. So take Miss Lou advice. Walk good till next time. In the previous section, I was inquiring if you believe in ghosts. I am not sure if I believe in ghosts because I've never seen any, but I still have some fear that I might run into one day. And I certainly would never go and sleep in a haunted house, whether by myself or with other people. It's just, I don't know. You know, because some people have some weird experiences which really make you feel queasy. And I read a book by a lady by the name of Bev East. She wrote some stories about various persons in Jamaica with their experiences with ghosts. And then when I read that book, I did not sleep for quite some while. But some dopey stories, you know, are quite funny. Like the one that used to run around many years ago. They claimed that there were two crows flying around with a coffin and asking for Mr. Brown. Lots of Jamaicans claimed they had seen these crows asking for Mr. Brown. Even Bob Marley wrote a song saying, "Where is Mr. Brown? He's nowhere to be found." But most of that to me that was a stupid story, and it was quite funny. But lots of people used to tell me, I wasn't living in Jamaica at the time, but they wrote me and told me how they had seen it, and it was in the newspaper. So as I get it, I give it. Anyway, the Queen of Jamaican Patwah, Louise Bennett, says, if you walk good, you will be followed by good ghosts. So all I can say to you, walk good, do good, get your copy of Talk Jamaican, and let's reason again soon. Have a wonderful day.